pleasure that hits the spot with the Dr. Joel Premium Prostate Massager. California Exotic Novelties works with Dr. Joel Kaplan to produce unique, stimulating sex toys for beginning users and veterans alike. A bestseller just got better with a silky smooth satin finish that will make your whole body tingle. This massager has the perfect angle for ultimate contact and a long handle for a comfortable reach. Turn the dial at the base to crank up the vibrations. Whether alone or with a partner, you'll rock the night away with this amazing product. Just 2 AAA batteries are all you need. Waterproof for safe cleaning and fun in the shower, tub, pool, or anywhere you want to get wet. Feel the ultimate contact with the Dr. Joel Premium Prostate Massager.